Hello friends, this is Mr. Ravindra Tajne. I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel as Ravitaj Online Banking Academy. I would like to request you kindly subscribe our channel for more updates of UPSC examinations, then banking examinations and Staff Selection Commission examinations. In our previous lectures, we have seen topics like difference between statements and assumptions, then basics of permutations and combinations, then how to solve comprehensions or how to solve passage, which is very important for UPSC examinations and other allied examinations. Then we have seen topic of opposite side of dice also, or how to find the opposite face of dice also. So I would like to request you also kindly see this video for basics of all these topics. Today I am taking very new topic which is very common for UPSC examinations, then banking examinations and Staff Selection Commission examinations and other allied examinations. That is topic as coded inequalities or inequalities. Basically, this topic is more or less asked in many computer examinations. So I'm requesting you listen this video till last for more updates and for more basics and more shortcuts as far as topic as coded inequality is concerned. Now let us start our lecture, my dear friends. Basically, how the example is asked in examinations. आपको ये पहले पता होना चाहिए एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन कैसे आता है. Then next task is to deal with the example. Means in my opinion, before approaching examination, we should analyze the previous year papers very minutely, because actually in any examination our first guide is syllabus, because syllabus defines your boundaries. Means आपको कहाँ तक जाना है वो आपको syllabus गाइड करता है. And second, my dear friends, your second guide is old year question papers, because क्वेश्चन पेपर आपको गाइड करते कि एग्जाम में आपको किस तरीके से क्वेश्चन आते हैं और किस तरीके से आपको एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन फेस करने. So in my opinion, the first guide is your syllabus and second guide is old year question papers. If you go through any paper of computer examinations, so this topic as coded inequality is obviously famous in most of the examinations. Okay, so accordingly, kindly analyze the previous year papers and syllabus minutely before approaching any examinations. So let us go to, my dear friends, how the question is asked in examinations. That is called a sample example. Okay, I put one example over here. That is, suppose यहाँ पे आपको means different codes are given like alpha, beta, gamma, delta, different codes are given over here, and उसका meaning यहाँ पे आपको in terms of inequalities are given. Like suppose P alpha Q means P is greater than Q, then P beta Q means P is either greater than or equal to Q, then P gamma Q means P is equal to Q, then P mu Q is equal to, means it means that P is either smaller than or equal to Q. Then my dear friends, P delta Q means P is smaller than or equal P is smaller than Q. Actually, my dear friends, in this topic we are discussing four inequalities. Okay, we'll have in our next part of lecture we are discussing what are the inequalities. Means we have given, author has given four inequalities accordingly, and different codes are given over here. Okay, means delta means suppose like यहाँ पे दिया है, suppose delta means smaller than, means different codes are given over here for representing inequalities. Means we have to first decode inequalities. Okay, and accordingly suppose यहाँ पे statements भी आपको यहाँ पे दिए है. Suppose statement number 1 यहाँ पे दिया है m alpha n, then second l gamma m, then third o delta n, then fourth is L mu K. Means different statements are given over here. Okay, different statements are given over here, and we have to combine all the statements by using inequalities which are obviously given over here, and say two conclusions are given over here. Okay, यहाँ पे तीन भी conclusion आ सकते हैं, फोर भी conclusion आ सकते हैं, statements भी यहाँ पे बढ़ सकते हैं. So two conclusions are given over here, that is M delta K and say L alpha n. Okay, means आपको क्या करना है, my dear friends, you have to first decode the inequalities. Like means here different inequalities are given over here, we have to decode it first, and then we have to combine the statements, and then we have to find the answers over here. Means okay, this is the thing about sample example. Actually in examination we have 5 answer options over here. यहाँ पे आपको 5 आंसर ऑप्शन यहाँ पे दिए हैं. से पहला ऑप्शन आपको यहाँ पे आएगा conclusion, only conclusion first is true, then only conclusion second is true, then both conclusion first and second are true. And my dear friends, आपके मन में ये आएगा भी, सर फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज नाइदर नॉर. नो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. फोर्थ ऑप्शन एक्चुअली आता है आइदर फर्स्ट और सेकंड कंक्लूजन्स आर ट्रू, and then my dear friends last option is neither first nor second conclusions are true or both are false. Actually it is a thumb rule that before choosing neither nor we have to choose the case of either or. Okay, in many chapters like syllogisms, then statements assumption, statements conclusion, we have to choose or we have to think for the case of either first or second options are true. We are having separate video also on the separate case of coded inequality, how to choose either or options in terms of coded inequality. We can have separate discussions in second video or in our further videos. So my dear friends, let us come to the topic. Actually we are having 5 answer options, and then we have to club all these statements or we have to combine all these statements by using inequalities, rules of inequalities, and then we have to go for answer options. This means this is nothing but sample example it is given to you. Actually don't get confused, in our respective videos also we are taking more lectures on coded inequality. In our short duration I am putting how the example to be solved, or what can be our approach towards coded inequality are concerned, and how the sample example is to be asked in examinations. Okay, and what are the basics required, because see my dear friends, in any examination without basic we can't go ahead. Without knowing the basic concepts, means as I said ki in our previous lecture also ki my dear friends, basics always help you. Okay, for then shortcut techniques are afterwards. Okay, means आपका यहाँ पे डूज एंड डोंट्स पता होनी चाहिए एग्जाम में, हमें कैसे अप्रोच रखना है. ओके, सो एक्चुअली वी आर in our initial lectures we are taking basics as far as the topic is concerned. Okay, now my dear friend, this is sample example we have discussed over here. Now come to actual basic which is required in examinations. Okay, so my dear friends, in examinations basically 2 types of inequalities are given. Normal author gives you positive language also, and second normal authors are giving negative language also. मीन्स यहाँ पे माय डियर फ्रेंड्स आपको ऑथर 2 तरीके से क्वेश्चन में इनइक्वालिटीज रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. यहाँ पर आपको पॉजिटिव लैंग्वेज भी ऑथर दे सकते हैं और नेगेटिव लैंग्वेज भी दे सकते हैं. ओके, इफ यू आर गिविंग नेगेटिव कोड्स ओवर देयर और नेगेटिव इनइक्वालिटीज ओवर देयर, you have to convert into positive inequalities. Remember this is very important line my dear friends. यहाँ पे आपको सपोज ऑथर ने नेगेटिव इनइक्वालिटीज दी है तो आपको उसको पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. ये आपको रूल आपको आगे चल के आपको अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो लेट्स कम टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग्स ऑफ इनइक्वालिटीज. Actually what is inequality my dear friends? Actually equality means both sides are equal. Simple thing, suppose 3x plus 6 is equal to 9, means here left hand side and right hand side is equal. Means here consider a linear equation where both sides are obviously equal. Okay, both sides are obviously equal. This is called equality. And when both sides are not equal, this is called as say inequality, when both sides are not equal. So here we are discussing 4 inequalities and 1 equality. Suppose first inequality is greater than, this side represents greater than. In terms of my dear friends negative inequalities, it can be represented as not smaller than nor equal to. Listen very carefully, because most of the students are not knowing negative meanings of the inequalities. बहुत सारे बच्चों को ये मालूम नहीं है कि negative में इसको हम किस तरीके से represent करते हैं. Suppose simply say my dear friends, if I am saying my age is or I am older than you, so in negative language I am not smaller than you or our ages are not same. Listen very carefully, don't get confused. If I am saying I am older than you, so I am in simply in negative way also I can speak with you that I am not smaller than you or our ages are not same. Means ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कि नेगेटिव में हम इसको किस तरीके से बोल सकते हैं, किस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. नाउ माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, कम टू सेकंड इनइक्वालिटी, दैट इज स्मॉलर देन. सिंपल केस, स्मॉलर देन. इन नेगेटिव वी कैन से एज नाइदर ग्रेटर देन एंड नॉर इक्वल टू. ओके, वी हैव टू टॉक नाइदर ग्रेटर देन नॉर इक्वल टू. एंड सपोज यहाँ पे बीच में एक लाइन यहाँ पे पुटअप की जाती है बाय ऑथर. इफ इट इज गिवन ओवर देयर, मीन्स रिमेंबर द सिंबल ऑल्सो and remember the meanings also. Then come to my dear friend third case of inequality, दिस इज नथिंग बट ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू, दैट इज आइदर ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू. In negative language, my dear friends, not smaller than. Simple case, simple case. Suppose if I am saying I am not smaller than you. Okay, simple, remember my dear friends, I am not smaller than you. That is, I am either greater than you, means I am either older than you, or our ages are same. Okay, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. रिप्रेजेंट नेगेटिव में कैसे उसको प्रेजेंट करते हैं ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Then my dear friends, last case is either less than or equal to or either smaller than or equal to. उसको नेगेटिव हम में बोलेंगे not greater than, not greater than. एंड लास्ट केस एक्चुअली आती है दैट इज इक्वल टू. ओके, इक्वल टू को भी हम उसको भी नेगेटिव में बोल सकते हैं, दैट इज नॉट ग्रेटर देन और नॉर लेस देन. सपोज इफ आई एम सेइंग माय एज इज नॉट ग्रेटर देन यू नॉर लेस देन यू और नॉट स्मॉलर देन यू, मींस आवर एजेस आर सेम. यहाँ पर आपको दोनों तरीके से आपको बोलना आना चाहिए और रिप्रेजेंट करना आना चाहिए. एंड दैट्स व्हाई माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, ये आपको ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. इन एग्जामिनेशन ऑथर गिव्स यू नेगेटिव लैंग्वेज, then you have to convert into positive language. Kindly remember, and then we can solve an example in examinations accordingly. Actually, my dear friends, before solving any examples of inequality, actually there are three important rules for combining inequalities. Most of the students are solving this examination very randomly. Means बहुत सारे बच्चे एग्जाम में किसी भी तरीके से स्टेटमेंट्स को क्लब करते हैं, and we are wasting our time, my dear friends, in examination. Actually, in examination, every second, every microsecond counts. And accordingly, we have to first clear the basic concept, and then we have to go with simple level first, then medium level, and then higher level. Okay. Actually, this step आपको enjoy करनी चाहिए, and then we can go for solving in example in examinations. Okay. So basics to आपको advanced level तक जाना है. यही मेरे actually आपको request है for solving in examinations. So let us come to the topic. Actually, in examinations, there are three means when we are solving an example in examinations, we have to remember the three standard rules. आपको तीन standard rules आपको पता होने चाहिए for combining the inequalities, and that's why I am covering the basics of how to combine the inequalities. Actually, first I recall the rules of how to combine the inequality. My dear friends, यहाँ पे आपका पहला रूल बनता है, means when we combine the inequalities, that both inequalities should have common term. This is very important rule, my dear friends. If common term is not there, we can't combine the inequalities. Okay, I just take separate lecture also, because in a single lecture it is not possible to cover every aspect minutely. That's why I'm requesting you kindly subscribe our channel for more updates of all these examinations and for knowing better techniques of all these topics in examinations are concerned. So let us come to the my dear friends topic once again. Actually, before combining inequality, simple rule, don't get confused. मीन सपोज ए इज ग्रेटर देन बी, सी इज ग्रेटर देन डी, यहाँ पे आपकी कॉमन टर्म ही नहीं है, तो वी कांट गो फॉर कंबाइनिंग द इनइक्वालिटीज. डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम माय डियर फ्रेंड्स ओवर देयर, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपकी कॉमन टर्म ही नहीं दी गई है, नहीं दी गई ऑथर ने, तो डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम. मीन्स आपको दो स्टेटमेंट्स आपको फाइंड आउट करने जहाँ पे कॉमन टर्म, सिंगल कॉमन टर्म दी है. एक्चुअली वी आर टेकिंग आवर सेपरेट लेक्चर ऑल्सो, हाउ टू सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ इनइक्वालिटीज, which are the steps for solving the examples of coded inequalities that in the latter half. Okay, so let us come to the topic once again. So यहाँ पे देखिए b यहाँ पे common term यहाँ पे author ने दी है, so a is greater than b, b is greater than c, means my dear friends, we can simply develop a chain of inequality. This is new term coin over here, new term discuss over here, that is chain of inequality, that is a is greater than b and b is simply greater than c. ये आपकी हो गई my dear friend chain of inequality. And we can simply conclude, remember very properly, we can simply conclude A is always greater than C. A is always greater than C. Then take a reverse case of this. A is less than B, B is less than C. Then we can also develop a chain of inequality. That is A is less than B, B is less than C. And my dear friends, यहाँ आपका conclusion होना चाहिए A is only less than C. Simple इसकी reverse case है. Okay, means first rule आपको help करेगा. Before combining inequalities, we should have common term. If common term is not there, we can't combine the inequalities. Now let us go to second rule, my dear friends, which is very important for solving an example of coded inequality. Most of the students are not knowing all these rules, and that's why listen this video till last. Okay, till last for getting more updates. Okay, second rule आपका बहुत important है, my dear friends. First rule से आपको सिर्फ दो स्टेटमेंट्स का आपको क्लब करने में मदद हो जाती है, लेकिन सेकंड रूल यहाँ पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. दैट इज माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, common term, listen very carefully, common term must be less than the first term and greater than the second term. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कॉमन टर्म मस्ट बी लेस देन द फर्स्ट टर्म, मीन्स यहाँ पे देखिए बी यहाँ पे लेस देन है ए से एंड ग्रेटर देन द सेकंड टर्म, मीन्स इट इज ग्रेटर देन द सी. एंड अदरवाइज इफ इट इज नॉट लाइक दिस वी कांट कंबाइन द इनइक्वालिटीज. ओके, अकॉर्डिंगली सपोज आई पुट्स वेरी सिंपल केस ओवर हियर. सपोज यहाँ पे जगह यहाँ पे है तो आई कैन राइट ओवर हियर सपोज ए इज ग्रेटर देन बी एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स सी आल्सो ग्रेटर देन बी. तो यहाँ पे आपको यहाँ पे इसको कंक्लूजन नहीं निकल सकता. मीन्स कंक्लूजन मीन्स व्हाट, वी कांट हैव रिलेशन बिटवीन ए एंड सी बिकॉज यहाँ पे देखिए बी आल्सो लेस देन है, यहाँ पे आल्सो बी इज लेस देन बोथ द टर्म्स. So my dear friends, we can't get a conclusion or we can't have a relation between A and C. So we can have a separate video on this how to combine inequalities, my dear friends. So second rule आपको बहुत अच्छी तरीके से पता होना चाहिए कि that is as I said here, see here also देखिए, here also देखिए B यहाँ पे means if I read second case A is greater than or equal to B and B is only greater than C. means vice versa होना चाहिए. एक जगह पे लेस देन, एक जगह पे ग्रेटर देन. सपोज इन फर्स्ट केस लेस देन इक्वल टू, सेकंड केस सपोज ग्रेटर देन, मीन्स वाइस वर्सा होना चाहिए. एंड देन माय डियर फ्रेंड्स वी कैन कंबाइन द इनइक्वालिटीज. ओके, वी कैन कंबाइन द इनइक्वालिटीज. ओके, सो मीन्स एक जगह पे ग्रेटर देन, एक जगह पे लेस देन, इस तरीके से होना चाहिए. देन वी कैन गो फॉर सिंपली कंबाइन द इनइक्वालिटीज. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव पुट सिंपल टेबल. मीन्स आपको ये टेबल पता होना चाहिए before solving any example of inequality. That's why I put basics over here. Okay, language थोड़ी critical लगती है यहाँ पे, लेकिन language थोड़ी difficult लगती है, लेकिन my dear friends it's a very simple concept to go with. और aptitude और reasoning में एक बात आपको पता होनी चाहिए. Once you remember the things, we are not forgetting afterwards. Okay, once you remember the things, आपको बार बार revision करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So in my opinion, before approaching any examinations, we have to prepare the notes also. We have to prepare the notes also as far the say techniques are concerned, basic concepts are concerned. And then next phase, my dear friends, slowly goes to practice. Slowly goes to practice. Actually शुरू में हम practice शुरू कर देते हैं. Actually before means winning the any match in marathon, we should go for warm ups. ये आपके warm up है. ये आपके warm up है. Means once your basic concepts are very clear, then we can deal exam in very neat and clean way, and we can pass the examination. Exam, my dear friends. Not pass, we can top the examinations. Okay, no problem. So let us come to my dear friends. Second case, A is greater than or equal to B. B is only greater than C. Here also we can develop a chain of inequality. That is, A is greater than or equal to B and B is only greater than C. In this case, my dear friends, A is only greater than C. Kindly remember, I am repeating once again, A is only greater than C. Reverse case, my dear friends, here A is लेस देन और इक्वल टू बी, बी इज ओनली लेस देन सी. सो यहाँ पे भी आपकी चेन ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी बन जाएंगी. सो ए इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू बी एंड बी इज लेस देन सी. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स हियर आल्सो रिमेंबर ए इज ओनली लेस देन सी. ए इज ओनली लेस देन सी. नाउ गो फॉर थर्ड केस. ओनली 4 ही केस यहाँ पे बनती है माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. सो इट इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट टू रिवाइज और रिकॉल. थर्ड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, ए इज ग्रेटर देन बी, then B is greater than or equal to C. यहाँ पे भी आपकी चेन बनेगी because rule second follows. आपका ध्यान B के ऊपर होना चाहिए. P is less than over here and B is greater than or equal to C over here. Means यहाँ पे means vice versa का मतलब क्या? एक जगह पे greater, एक जगह पे less than or equal to or only less than. Means we can go for combine the inequalities, my dear friends. So we can develop a chain of inequality. That is, A is greater than B, B is greater than or equal to C, and my dear friends, in this case also, A is only greater than C. Kindly remember, A is only greater than C. Go for reverse case, A is less than B, B is less than or equal to C. Here also we can go for combining inequalities, my dear friends. A is less than B, B is less than or equal to C. And in this case also, my dear friends, यहाँ पे आपका कंक्लूजन निकलेगा A is less than C only. Means my dear friends, आपको एक सिंपल टेक्निक यहाँ पे रिमेंबर करनी है. रिमेंबर my dear friends, in when we combine the inequalities, आपको यहाँ पे बारीकी से आपको ध्यान देना है. A is greater than C in first case. Second case also A is greater than C. And third case also we can conclude, my dear friends, A is greater than C. ये आपका कंक्लूजन है, आपका कंक्लूजन है by combining two statements. इसको रिवर्स तरीके से आपको आप देखोगे तो a is less than c, a is less than c, a is less than c means, my dear friends, in three cases when we apply two important rules of inequality, that first rule is what, common term must be there. So देखिए यहाँ पे b is common term over here, and second rule that, my dear friends, common term must be less than the first term and greater than the second term, or vice versa. Okay, or suppose less than the first term and greater than second term means vice versa. Okay, दोनों जगह पे सपोज यहाँ पे देखिए a is greater than b, c is once again greater than b, यहाँ पे आपका कंक्लूजन नहीं आएगा, मीन्स वी कांट कंक्लूड रिलेशन बिटवीन a एंड c, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. इसके ऊपर हम बाद में सेपरेट लेक्चर लेंगे, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इन वेरी प्रॉपर वे. ओके, नाउ कम टू लास्ट केस, माय डियर फ्रेंड. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रूल, वेरी थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट रूल. ओनली थ्री रूल्स आर देयर when we combine inequalities. Third rule is very important. A is greater than or equal to b, b is greater than or equal to c. My dear friend, listen very very carefully. देखिए यहाँ पे b की b देखिए आप, a is greater than or equal to b and b is greater than or equal to c. My dear friends, here also we can develop a chain of inequality. A is greater than or equal to b, b is greater than or equal to c, and simply, my dear friends, we can safely conclude a is either greater than or equal to c. Reverse case, a is less than or equal to b, b is less than or equal to c. Here also we can develop a chain of inequality. इसको हम chain of inequality बोलते हैं. A is less than or equal to b and b is less than or equal to c, and my dear friends, simply we can safely conclude a is either smaller than or equal to c. So my dear friends, third rule यहाँ पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वी कैन हैव अ सेपरेट वीडियो आल्सो ऑन रूल्स ऑफ इनइक्वालिटीज. थर्ड रूल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. तीन ही रूल आपको ध्यान में रखने, तीन ही रूल आपको ध्यान में रखने. थर्ड रूल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट व्हेन बोथ इनइक्वालिटी विल हैव सेम साइन बिटवीन देम. लिसन वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. When both inequalities means both statements are having same means what, that is greater than or equal to and greater than or equal to, and when rule second follows, second rule follow होना चाहिए, and then only same sign repeats in conclusion, then and then only same sign repeats in conclusion. Remember, my dear friend, this rule is very very important. And further actually we are having developing the case of either first or second valid also. Okay, by having relations of the fourth case also. Okay, so we can have separate discussions on either first or second conclusions are true in our separate video, my dear friends. So my dear friends, in our short duration, I come to once again revisions of the lectures. Today's lecture has coded inequality. So sample example आपको पता होना चाहिए, means different codes are given over here. That's what topic is called as coded inequalities, like alpha, beta, gamma, delta वगैरह. Codes will be anything, and four inequalities will be given over there, and one equality will be given over here. Author sometimes give positive language, author give sometimes negative language. Suppose यहाँ पे आप author यहाँ पे ये भी दे सकते हैं कि P is not greater than Q. Means that's why I have told you difference between positive inequalities and negative inequalities. यहाँ पे आपको negative inequalities are given. Then my dear friends, simply आपको यहाँ पे उसको positive convert करना है. Then statements को आपको club करना है. Sorry. स्टेटमेंट्स को आपको क्लब करना है, और क्लब करते वक्त, कंबाइन करते वक्त आपको ये रूल्स ध्यान में रखने. बाकी कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं है यहाँ पे, बाकी कुछ भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. ये रूल्स आपको, तीन रूल्स आपको और ये चार केसेस आपको ध्यान में रखने चाहिए while combining all these statements. My dear friends, we can have a separate lecture on this, how to combine the statements with very proper way, in a very short ways, or in very less time for getting the highest accuracy. So we can have separate discussion on all these things, and then we have to conclude accordingly whether conclusion first is true, only second is true, both are true, either first or second are true, and last option is neither first nor second are true. And I have taken discussions on positive sides of inequality also, and suppose negative sides of negative inequalities also. And my dear friends, we have gone through three golden rules or important rules, my dear friends. Actually these are called as normally important rules for solving any inequalities. That first rule is what, common term must be there. Second rule, my dear friends, common term must be less than the first term, greater than the second term, or suppose vice versa. Okay. Okay, and third rule, my dear friends, when the both inequalities are having same sign, that is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, and rule second follows. This is very important. Rule second follows, then same sign repeats in conclusion. My dear friends, in short duration, we have taken very nice lecture on coded inequalities. Okay, in very proper way. Okay, so I'm requesting my dear friends, so have a revision of all these concepts in very proper way. Actually, our previous videos also I told you कि wars are not win with weapons. Wars are not win with weapons. Wars are always win with the strategies. Actually, आपको practice करनी है. I do understand. Practice is important for reasoning sections, aptitude sections. Okay, say logical reasoning, verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, or critical reasoning, or analytical abilities, or say or next section is comprehension. Actually, practice important है. But आपको basics भी important है. Okay, before not, if you are not knowing the basics of all these topics, then we can't deal examination, we can't improve our speed, and that's why strategies are important. So इसीलिए मैंने आपको बोला है कि first analyze syllabus minutely of in examinations, and then go for analysis of previous year papers, and then develop your strategies at your own way. Okay, by taking help of good mentors. Okay, no problem, my dear friends. So as I said ki I'm putting new updates and more and more updates of all these computer examinations like UPSC examinations, banking examinations, and staff selection commission examinations, and other allied examinations, by taking some basic concepts, shortcut tricks, detailed discussions, and then some more examples. So I'm requesting my dear friends, kindly subscribe our channel as Ravitaj Online Bank Academy, and I would like to request also, kindly like our videos, then share our videos, and give the comments also, because your comments are always helpful for me for more updates, for what should be the your doubts are there, you can put in the comments also. So I'm requesting my dear friends, kindly subscribe our channel, my dear friends. Thank you for nice discussions with you in short duration. Thank you. Good day. Take care. Thank you.